I love to make something out of nothing. I think it's really cool to create new things. The learning environment at Sentinel allows me to be a part of that process from start to finish, which is awesome because I've always preferred working with my hands.
Precision machining has evolved over time, and advancement in all related technologies help push the limits that define precision machining and improve performance consistently. This makes it a highly sought-after skill, and jobs are plentiful in this area, thus providing you many career opportunities. You could be a key part of this technical manufacturing process by fabricating parts out of raw materials, creating and designing machines, parts, tools, and other items that we all use and depend on in everyday life.
My dad is in the automotive business, and by furthering my knowledge of machining, I can see how the two trades are related, and I'm very excited to see how in the future he and I can work together.